What's next, Gary? How's it going?
My helmet's a bit tight. No, it's going good. Just worried about the tyres. Obviously, massive amount of donuts compared to before, but see how we go. Give it another whirl. One more take, see what happens.
Hey guys, my name is Rudy Browning. I'm the drone pilot today. We're just about to rip some packs around the C10. It's a pretty gnarly machine. Just got the Hero 8 with the ND on today. Yeah, it should be sick.
We're going to be bringing the noise, bringing the fumes. Check this out. That's right, Repco. We are bringing the Bathurst. And cut.